Listeners, in our noisy world, Buddha whispers a profound reminder. Just like rivers in narrow channels that babble loudly while the grand ones flow silently. What's incomplete makes noise, but fullness. It's always quiet. Ever noticed? The wisest people often say the least, embracing the power of silence. The Buddha guides us. Speak with purpose, with kindness, with truth. Yet, more importantly, learn to listen, acknowledging our own limits. In an age where digital chatter is deafening, where every scroll might lead us astray with misinformation, remember, true wisdom isn't in the loudest voice but in the most discerning ear. Today, challenge yourself. Listen more, judge less, filter the noise and embrace the wisdom in silence. Thank you for joining us.